Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you a cute Japanese stationery item that I found at the store the other day. I love collecting pens, and one of the pen companies that is so not in focus is this company SARASA, and they make really cute adorable pens with different collaborations, and this one features little doggies and I just couldn't resist. It's like a Shiba dog, so perfect, and different versions of him, the golden one and the more black version with his little butt showing there. It's so cute. So there's these three poses here, and then on the back you have them kind of goofing around, him sleeping. He's so cute. So just adorable. And these pens come in lots of different colors. This happens to be the 0.5 size. And I got this like neon orange color and a neon purple. And they write really well and give a nice, really brilliant color with a good amount of ink. And it's nice because you can see then, you know, how your ink is going to if it's running low. And they have the nice, easy thing there. And then the clip opens like this, which is nice. So, and it has a good grip. These are very good pens. Great for doing your own kinds of, you know, journal entries and diaries and things like that, taking notes for school, whatever you might have as a plan of what you want to use them for. But definitely tempting to make you want to buy all of them so you can have all little doggies all the time. I definitely would recommend, if you guys get a chance to come here, you want to go to a place that features stationery goods. They have so many pens, it can kind of take forever to decide what to get. So definitely a lot of fun, and it can be, you want to look out, of course, because we do often offer, sometimes all the series offer up to 3 different sizes. There's a 0.7, which is a little fatter, the 0.5, which is normal, that's in everything, and then a 0.3 or a 0.2, which is a really nice fine print, and they works really nice for different projects and stuff. So oh, and there's a doggy here. Super cute. Let's go ahead and focus. So I would definitely recommend it if you guys are going to be visiting, and I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.